Hi everyone, and welcome to another live edition of Stephen Follows Instructions. I am, of course, Stephen, and I will be following instructions today. Today we're looking at something called TogetherJS. It's made by Mozilla. I'm not sure how recent it is. I found it in a Stack Overflow conversation from 2018, so at least 6 years old. So I have no idea whether this will work at all. I have no idea whether it's even still supported by Mozilla. I had never heard of it until now. But here's the website, and it doesn't seem to be depreciated or anything like that. So I'm going to try it out. So what it does is it makes it easy for users on your site to collaborate in real time. It's implemented in JavaScript, no software or plugins, and it's built by Mozilla, which means they might depreciate it and stop supporting it, but they're not suddenly going to convert it into some business product like Pocket. I hope. But whatever. So, I'm going to try it out. So let's get started. Okay, so let's try out together. Okay, so we're going to paste the snippet into my site. So, sounds easy, but if you don't know what you're doing, you've just hit your first snag. So let's just use my plain default here. This is WinSCP. Oh, that's something different. Okay. I'm just going to go to my main website and I'll just pull a little script that I use all the time called start.html. So we'll just load that, and now I'll edit it using Visual Studio Code. So we'll go to the correct directory. So open folder. So this is the correct directory. Select folder. And start.html should be down here somewhere. Here it is. So if you're wondering what this page looks like anyways, it's the page I used to start. This is it right here. Maybe I'll move it over a bit so you can see the whole thing. So it's just, it's Mail, Flickr, all my stuff, my baseball, NRC stuff, all the dev stuff, ChatGPT, everything. I just have a nice handy dandy page. So I'll just stick this thing on the bottom of this page. We're just playing around. So, all right. So let's go back then to, that's not it, Mozilla Labs together. So simply copy and paste this snippet into your site. So let's do that, and then add the HTML button. So let's scroll down. Generally you put the JavaScript stuff at the bottom of your page, so I'll put it down here. And then the button we'll put just above the script, I guess. So do that. So it's just a button that will call TogetherJS, and it'll start it. Okay, that sounds pretty simple. So we'll just put that here. So what I've done is just a plain HTML page. I've stuck these two things on. So let's load that back up onto my website. You wouldn't well, you might have to do this normally. I don't know. It might just work off of your desktop even. We'll test that in a second, but let's put it up on the website for now. So I'll just upload it again. So don't even see it happen. It happens so fast. All right. So now let's go back to the website. Here it is. Here's my start page. Should be a button. I don't see a button. Oh, there it is. Okay. Start together. You're using TogetherJS. Okay, I'm ready. So these are just images that I'm scrolling through. Okay, so it's instructions. I suppose I should read them. Okay, so enter your name and an avatar if you wish. Copy and paste this link. Okay, and okay, so you see there's a code there, right? To invite. And you're away to the races. Okay. So let's do that. Copy. I'm ready. Copy and paste this link over IM or email. Okay. Silent seal. Allow. Alright. Okay. Close that. What's this? Oh, a little chat. So it's pinned to the bottom of the page, but it doesn't know where the bottom of the page is really. Hello. Alright, so, and oh yeah, this is invite, and this is, I changed my avatar, so I can browse, whatever. Okay. Okay, well, let's test this in another browser. Because it might not work. It might be only Firefox, which means it would be useful for 1.3% of the population. Okay, shut up, Chrome. Shut up, Chrome. I don't need all of your stuff. Okay, let's put the URL in. Alright, let's start together. I'm ready. And hiya. Let's go back and see if we're here. Huh, two separate people. Maybe we're not in the same chat. Let's try to make it so that we go into the same chat. Copy. It wants to start a new chat. Alright, let's take this and we'll go back to the Firefox version. The Firefox version. And we'll try to go here. No one else is here. No one else is there. That really does seem like a problem. They don't seem to be communicating with each other. Because this one is in EC whatever ADGR, and this one I don't even know where this one is. It's in EC ADGR. This should be working. Let's come back over here. Nothing. So why doesn't it work? Let's puzzle through this. I mean, it might just not work. maybe I'll try. Maybe it just doesn't work over Chrome. Alright, let's kill the Chrome. Let's try new tab to write, and I'll just make it a completely separate window. Put the URL in, EC whatever ADGR. Aha! Here we go. Yes, join session. Okay, now this is still not working. Session. I mean, I'm not even always the same person, right? Because I don't see even my previous messages or my messages to myself. There's just no communication happening. From one to the other. And I don't know why. Oh, that was kind of a weird. Huh. That must be a feature of it. But let's try. I should even be able to hear myself or echo myself or something, but where's my tooltip? Turn on microphone. Okay, click. I don't know whether it looks like it's on. And this one doesn't look like it's on, so there. Now that looks like it's on. But, I mean, it's just as well that we're not getting both microphones, because I'd be giving myself a whole blast of feedback. So TogetherJS uses WebRTC, etc., etc., etc. Who's using Together Mozilla Thimble? Doesn't exist anymore. JS Fiddle. I don't see it. WordPress plugins. Mozilla Popcorn doesn't exist anymore. .NET Fiddle probably does exist, but who works with .NET? So, oh yeah, there's that little circle. You can see each other's mouse clicks. Oh yeah, we should be sharing our pages even with each other, right? Yeah. Maybe if I went to a different page, would the person I'm chatting with follow? Let's go to Google News. And does the other person follow? No. Let's go to Google News. Let's drive to dump Trudeau. No, we didn't follow. I don't know. It doesn't work. We get nothing. There's no communication happening. I do have a viewer out there. You can try this out if you like. Just go to C-list. Not C-list. What am I talking about? I'll put it in the YouTube chat. I assume you're here in YouTube. That's live streaming. There we go. Go to that page if you're there. I mean, because it might just be, you know, the whole WebRTC setup isn't going to let me converse with myself. I could also try it on my phone, right? Oh, and the person has left YouTube. Oh, my one viewer. I couldn't hold them, even with the promise of direct communication. All right, so let's see now. I'm trying my phone now. So, all right, yeah, let's go to my start page, and then okay, hash and hash and TogetherJS equals and EC capital J IW4 ADGR. Alright, so I've typed that in my browser, which is also Firefox, and we'll go to it, and nothing. I mean, the button is there at the bottom, but it didn't say. Oh, here we go. Okay, it took a little bit, but it asked to join my session. Yes, join session. Okay, I'm using TogetherJS. All right. I'm ready. Okay. Oh, it's way down at the bottom there. So I'm going to click the button. All right. So it's up here at the top of my screen. I don't know if you're actually seeing this on my screen. So let's try the little chat bubble thing. And Y, F. Okay. Now let's see if that showed up. Am I even in that chat anymore? No one else is here. Right. Let's try pasting that in. J. And yeah, still no one else is here. All right, well, let's try inviting myself. I mean, these are two separate devices, so although it is the same Firefox account, but let's try inviting myself. Copy and paste this link over email. So I'll copy it. I'll send it to myself by email. All right. Now I've sent it. Okay, so here's my email. There's the link in my email. I'll click it. Okay, Join TogetherJS. Yes, join session. And then nothing. Presumably I'm in the session, but no one else is here. All right, I think I'm going to just mark this down as a fail. I don't know why it's broken, but it's broken. It might have to do with maybe plugins or permission requirements, but I don't know. These are all unrelated. No, it just doesn't work. And yeah, I don't know how to fix it. So, okay. So this has been a short episode of Stephen Follows Instructions. I followed the instructions such as they were. There weren't very many instructions to follow, but I did follow them. And yeah, like I say, it didn't work. I'm just going back. There it is. I mean, I did do this stuff. Oh, let's check. Yeah, I should check the logs, see if it actually said anything. Oh. All right. Firefox can't establish a connection to the server. Doesn't say why. WebSocket error undefined. I wonder what happens. It says on error equals. Yeah. Okay, well, there's the code. So clearly I can access this. WebSocket close unclean code. So it's just trying to access a server. It's not able to access the server. Reason, none. So it's their server, I guess, that isn't functioning. So, all right. What if I had a server? Let's come back. I mean, it might have nothing to do with the code. Okay. Quick start. This is a different quick start. All right. Quickly include two things on your web page. So there's the script, there's the button, or if you don't like on click, I like on click personally. Okay, calling together will start the tool, stop the tool. technology overview. It's the WebRTC hub. Okay, configuring it. All right, the configuration. Okay. So these are just some configuration things. Okay, that's a slightly more complex button. Let's use the slightly more complex button. Here it is. Let's put the script above the button just in case. I don't think that would make a difference, but hey, you never know. And we'll reload that. We'll see if we get a different result. Which we won't. Just consider that predicted now. Okay, so here's our button. Also doesn't like the downloadable font. Too large, suitable. Name service error? So, that's docs Mozilla. Oh no, it's Mozilla.com forms. Oh, that's kind of weird too. That is kind of weird. Why is it trying to get something from embedded equals true? Strict origin when cross origin. I have no idea what's happening there, what it's trying to do, but okay, never mind. Let's reload the page. Let's clear the garbage, reload the page. Start together. Can't establish the server, can't establish the connection. Connection was interrupted while the page was loading. Huh. Let's go back. I don't really, this is just, so they've jumped right into something. Well, let's defer initialization, okay. Define a function. Oh, these are really, really bad instructions. Okay, it works with Firefox or Chrome. Oh, it's from April 2013. Hosting the hub server. We have a server at. Okay. Let's see if they. Okay, so they don't have a server at. There's the cause of my problems, right? They don't actually have a server there. All right, 13 years old. They don't even have their own server anymore. I'm bailing on this one. Yeah. I just don't want to. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. And see you again for another episode of Stephen Follows Instructions sometime in the